Hello, 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 hello. Wherever you are located on this funny planet called Earth, I sincerely hope you are having a serene day, even night, wherever located. Welcome to my channel. It's dealing with the Blender 3D software package. My topic for the day is something that was hail praise to the heavens when Blender 2.80 came out. It is editing several meshes in the editor. You remember, if you know anything about Blender and you've been around the block long like I had since Blender 2.76, up before Blender, what was it, 2.80, you only can manipulate one mesh at a time in the editor. So that was a heavy knock on Blender. Now, allegedly, you can do several. Well, anyway, this is what I wanted to do today. I'm making my own meshes. But you know, when you're making something complicated, you better try it on something simple. Because you know, I was trying out my complicated thing and it wasn't working. So I had to use stuff I used in computer programming. Make a little simple program. Then you go back to the hard one. So I had these several blocks, which I love to call Harley Cube. And I made them different colors, so I don't want to keep that blue and gray all the time. But anyway, I have several blocks. I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to put them in editing mode. What I want to do, I want to be able to connect the vertices, connect, edge select, or face select. That's what I want to do. But you're going to see, even though it was put in this editor, it don't work. It don't work as we want it. So I only need to do one example. So I'm gonna click right here. I'm gonna choose edge select. I'm gonna choose this edge right here. And on my yellow cube, I'm gonna choose this edge. It should be highlighted. Okay. Now, there's several ways to get the edges to connect. I can hit the F key, but you see nothing happened. It don't even give me an alert. It's not connecting it. Or I can go up here to edge. This will give me more. I can choose bridge edge loops. Again, nothing happened. At the bottom, I say select at least 2 edge loops. What that's basically saying, I better select 2 edge loops in the same object. I'll give an example here. I'm gonna use this one because it's right in front. Edge here, edge here. Let me extrude it up. Oops. Extrude it. So I extruded it. So I have my 2 edges right there. Now, since it's the same object, it will edge loop it. I can hit F. See, it edge loop it. You see that, right? Or for those who love the menu system, I can go to. For those who love the menu system, I go to Edge and choose Bridge Edge Loop. So what we take away from that, even though I can highlight, even though I'm in the editor mode, as you see up here, I can grab my objects. See, I can still grab each one of them. I can grab each one of them. I'm just gonna put it back so I can. I also want to put it back so I can easily manipulate it. I can still grab each one. As you see right there, I grabbed 2 this time, but you see I can still each of them. I can still move them around the edit mode. And so far, in this stage of the edit mode, I only can edit one at a time. But today, I only can edit one at a time, and it's like this. But I discovered a way how you can make those objects truly connected. Let's go back to object mode. I'm in object mode. All my objects still highlighted because you see the little halo effect around it. To get it to become one object, we have to join it. So remember, this video is not for complete newbies, Complete. There's several ways you can join them. I believe. You can go up here to object. Let me see if I got a join command here. It's not easy to find it. Uh, nope. Snap. Copy objects. So the join command is not visible easily. Select. Box select. So I guess we have to hunt for that join. So the join command is not up here. It's not easy to find. Oh, yeah, it's right. I'm sorry. It's right here. You see that? Right there. So for those who love the menu system, you can go to the menu system and find join, which is Control J. Or for people like me who've been around for a while, you just can hit Control J. So to join, you got two options, at least two. You go to object, you go down, you see join. Or like me, you hit Control J. All right, so we got that out the way. So let's go back to the edit mode now and see what we can do. See if we can actually connect them. So I'm gonna click on this edge. It don't matter which edge. Click on this edge. I'm gonna hit my F key. And you see that it worked. Now the only setback is it takes the color of the parent object. In this case, my parent object is the cube, so hey, it's gonna make the color yellow. And I said I'm gonna try to I'm gonna see if that's really the case. I'll go back to object mode. I'm gonna select my yellow cube. Oh, I forgot. I can't. It don't work now because they all have been joined. I'm not gonna go to the house of unjoining them. You see, they all been joined together. See, so they all been joined together. So let's go back to edit mode. I'm just showing you by joining them, you can make them now they truly are one cohesive object. Control. I just hit F. I'm gonna just join one more. Then may conclude the video. I'm gonna join the top edge to this bottom edge. And let's go back to edge and bridge. And you see it's joined. Now, for the color thing, so when you're doing this, it may be best to leave your mesh one color. You either can leave it gray or the colors up here in Metcalf. See, Metcalf. Leave it that color, the Metcalf color. Or leave it at that fall boring gray color. Then when you got it set the way you want, you can come and add your colors in. But if you forget to do that, you know all your colors are right here, and you're not gonna in the material setting. So if I click, I'm gonna do face select. I'm gonna choose this one right here, this face. I'm gonna change the color to color 3, which is red, and I do a sound. There we go. I'm gonna choose this one. I want to make it blue. Let's see which color is blue. I think it's 3 or 4 or 2. Okay, that's blue, so I choose a sign. And there we go. So it was a quick video, good people. But now, you know, if you have separate objects in the object mode, and you want to work with those 3 objects together as one mesh, you have to join them. Then you go to edit mode and start manipulating. And as I stated, it's best to leave them all one color, the mesh color, because if not, it'll take the color of the parent object. For new people, as you all see, people, the new people who listen to my videos, I keep pushing. Ideas come to me daily because my mind is open and fresh with the 3D thing. Stay with the Blender, stay with the Maya, stay with the 3ds Max or whatever you're using. Don't give up. Just keep pushing forward. Like an infant, they come to the world not knowing how to do anything. They keep trying. They learn how to walk. They learn how to eat. They learn how to talk. That's how we have to take this 3D learning. To the next time in the family, 3D family. Peace.